Alrighty, so today we've got a few things going on. We've got trying to finish out the Wii Sports set. I'm also going to make some test parts, and then I want to try and make some stuff for some inserts. But we'll see what we get to. Yeah, I'm managing it. What? So, let's find out. Alright, let's do this. So first, I need to just go and change this. Change parameters. Just change this to 5. I gotta make test parts for that. So I guess first, for shits and giggles, we're gonna make the bowling ball. So we're gonna configure, assemble new component. Bowling ball. That should be the easiest one. I think we just need to do a sketch here. Do a 3-point arc. We'll make it 20. I wish it told you if it was tangent. Oh, well, I guess it wouldn't have anything to be tangent with. That would be kind of awkward. Oh. What am I doing? Make a circle. Just make a circle. There we go. Make a circle. Put a line through the circle. Awesome. Fantastic. Finish sketch. Take that. Revolve the crap out of that along that axis. I hate section analysis so much. What? I can't select it. I wish there was a way to clear out section analysis. Is there a way to clear out section analysis? Alright. I guess I gotta go to like this or something. Then section analyze the shit out of that. Flip, select, match. Drag it all the way down here. Go back to minding my own freaking business. Now we have a bowling ball. So, or we have a ball. It's not a bowling ball yet. What we're going to do, we need our origin points because I don't think I can do this off of a sphere. Tangent plane? Can I do this? Can I do this off of a sphere? Hang on. Construct plane at angle, offset plane, tangent plane, mid plane, plane through two edges, plane along path, axes through cylinder, cone, or torus, which that is none. Okay. Yeah, all right, fine. Offset plane. Let's go through front. Just do that. We'll offset it to about here. Gonna make it big. Make it big! Then we are going to create sketch. Can we project? Hey, all right, that works. We can get rid of our origin point now. Now we just gonna make. How big are handholds? Let's play that fun game. 3. I don't like that. Line X to make it construct or construction. There you go. Is C circle? Is C circle? Oh shit, C is circle. Okay, cool. CX. Put a circle right. Put a circle right about there. 3 mil. Mirror that there. No. Mirror it there. Okay. And C again, because I want to try and use more key bindings. Should be all we need. Now we're going to get our bodies. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. We're going to do that. And we are going to create an emboss. I don't know if I can do this on a... And by that, I mean I can totally do this on a sphere. That's literally perfect. And you know what? We're just going to go ahead and fillet these ever so slightly. And by that, I mean like ever so slightly. Point 2? Point 2. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. That went a lot faster than I thought it would. Now, hypothetically, what happens if I move this? I just move this down. Does the emboss move? Yeah, it does. Oh, that's sweet. That's kind of sick. All right, I can live with that. Hell yeah. Bowling ball. Now, the question is, how am I going to get it to print? But you know what? We'll deal with that later. Let's save that. Now let's get on to the 2 that I have not been looking forward to. We're going to do... What are we going to do first? All right, so we don't need bowling ball. We can do all of that. Go back to here. Assemble new components. Which one is going to be less of a pain in the butt? Golf club. Golf club's going to be less of a pain in the butt. Da-da-da-da. All right, now I pulled up a picture. That's a boxing glove of a golf club. So just minimize that for shits and giggles. Because I can do this. I can do that all damn day. This part that I don't like. Like a curve. Right angle fillet. Big ass fillet. Alright. Try that. And yes, I know I can canvas this stuff. I just I don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it. Want to make it by hand. Because it doesn't have to look perfectly what it's supposed to. As long as I'm happy with it, that's good. When you make stuff, as long as you're happy with it, that's good too. So it should just be light right. Probably have this up on my second screen. Oh, that's much bigger. Okay, so it's going up. Ooh, I can spline it. Gonna curve slightly. Can we cooperate? You maybe want to, get to the point? Know what? All things considered, that doesn't look bad. Ow, my ears all itchy. How big is this? Not very. Okay. I mean, to be fair, a golf club isn't massive. Oh, that's tiny. No, I want that to be like 30. All right. It's fine. We can do this. I've learned valuable lessons today. Don't do that. Or make sure to dimension everything before you do something stupid. So, can we dimension this? Oh, yeah, we can't even dimension this shit. All right. Dope. Let's do it again. Let's go about that. Do a spline. Ooh, we looking good. Okay. Except I need that to be tangent. Yeah. Actually, I just tried to zoom in on a Google picture. All right. I mean, it's tangent-esque. What happens when we make it tangent? Oh. Oh, it just looks correct. Okay. That's boring. Where did you go? There you are. No, stop. Computer, why? So it's going to be a swoop, and then that swoop is going to turn into our Mashugana. But that swoop is damn near right angle. What we're going to do comes down like that, makes a right angle, We're going to make that 7. We're going to make that a 5. We're going to make that a 6. We're going to undo everything we just did. Actually, I didn't have to undo that. I could have just dimensioned it different. Line. Call that 2. Call that 6. And actually, I'm gonna just spline that because I want that to look nice. And then we're, damn it. Always hit enter. If you're doing a spline, always hit enter. It doesn't even matter if you meant to do it. Hit enter. Tangent. 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 Not the tangency I wanted? Okay. That ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. That kind of looks like a whale, and I don't know why. And it's blue. Why does it make me think of the Misadventures of Flapjack? ADHD. All right. So we have that done. So what we're going to do is we know our handle is going to be 5. Because I have given up on trying to perfectly match all of the handholds, and I'm going to make a thing to tell me what my handholds are, and then I'm just going to scale the prints accordingly. But that'll be after I get all this done, because I do things in batshit order. So what we're going to do is we are going to extrude this. It looks like the golf club is thinner than the handle, or the head of the golf club is thinner than the handle. So we're going to make it 3. Okay. And actually, this is bothering me ever so slightly. I do something about that. That looks better. It now looks more like a whale for some reason, but hey, you know what? Still pretty okay. I do want to. Ah, that's right. That's gotta be like that. It'll blend. It'll blend. All right, so we'll get all the stupid stuff out the way first. So now we're gonna construct an offset plane from here, and we're gonna put it about there. I'm gonna put it about there. Okay. And on that offset plane, now a construction plane, we're gonna make a sketch. And in that sketch, we're gonna project this. Are we going to project that? Is that what we're going to do? I need that sketch anyway, so we'll just leave that sketch. I want to try something. I want to try something incredibly stupid. Yeah, that's what I thought. All right, we'll do it this way. All right, so we have our projection. Oh, we didn't project. All right, well, piss off. Okay. All right, so we got our projection. We'll just get rid of that body real quick. All right. The reason I wanted to do that, because I just will it line me up close enough. All right. Line, construction, midpoint, midpoint. If you see the triangle on any line, that's going to be your midpoint. That's the middle of that line. And then, oh, it doesn't do it for, oh, maybe it's because it's a construction line. Does it? Oh, no. All right, I guess not. Oh, no, yeah, okay, so it'll do it for lines you make too, inside of other lines. It's just these are dead ass center. Let's turn off construction. They'll make a circle. And this circle is going to be about oh, interesting. I did this wrong. I did this very wrong. I screwed up. Because this is actually supposed to be thicker. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, okay, now, alright, that makes more sense. I'm good. Alright, I was wondering what the hell was wrong with this. Now we can make that 5. And that should be it. Actually, we're gonna make it 5.5. And then we're going to create another circle inside of it. That's going to be 5. The reason we're going to do that is because we're gonna be fancy. We're gonna be fancy. All right, so we have our head. We have our thingy. So what we are going to do, we're going to take this and this, and if I remember correctly, it's going to be loft. So loft lets you take 2 faces of different sizes and shapes and creates like a pass to them. So a square to a circle like you're seeing on the little picture. And we're going to loft to that. That ain't bad. And you should rename your sketches. I only have a couple of them, so I'm not going to do that. And, oh, it lofted to the wrong thing. You lofted to the wrong thing. There you go. Loft to that. Wait, what? Can I only do 1? Wait, no, that's not right. That can't be right. That's not true. Do I have to loft? Okay, let's get rid of this loft. Let's just get rid of this loft. No, no, don't edit the feature. Get rid of it. I screwed up. Delete this loft. Loft. Profile 1 to profile 2. But it's only lofting to the smaller? Okay, so here's what I'm wondering. Do I have to do it like this? Edit skip. Let me get rid of that. I guess this is the way I have to do it, or at least this is the way I'm going to do it for now. Oh, what the hell just happened? Oh, nothing. Nothing just happened. That's why. Okay. Just gonna loft. Okay. And then this, we'll just create a sketch. Make it our 5 circle. And we're just going to extrude this 100. We're going to extrude this 120. We can get rid of that sketch. This, we're going to chamfer. To kind of just make it look a little bit better. Okay, never mind. I meant fillet, because depending on how you do it and what you're supposed to do with it, because I'm probably not using a lot of these tools right, but, you know, it's what I got. I'm kind of digging that. Okay. That'll give us our little golf club thing, or a handle for the golf club. Then we just need to make no, what? Damn it. No, wrong. This is what I wanted. We just need to make these grooves. Which I'm pretty sure I can do. Pretty sure they should be easy. Actually, I'd also like to actually, it's probably better if we don't do that. A slight fillet. And then pretty much we're just going to do the same thing we did with this. We're just going to create a sketch. We're going to do the same thing we did with the tennis racket. We're just going to make a pattern. Do that. We're just going to, let me pull up my visual aid here. Gonna start about here-ish. Doesn't really matter how long this one is. And I just want to make them 1 millimeter tall. Actually, that's the way to do it. Actually, I just want to make this whole thing. Screw you, you're not going to tell me how to live my life. Alright, here we go. Gonna do that. I'm just gonna make it about that big. Then we're gonna do a rectangular pattern. Gonna boop, 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 and boop. I think this. Yep. What has that got? Let's try 7 of them. That actually looks pretty good. Then we're just going to extrude negative 0.5. I mean, that looks like a golf club. I believe that was a golf club. I'd very much like to fillet this. I believe your golf clubbiness. And we'll fillet this too since we're being awesome. And actually, I did screw up somewhere. So for this, the whole point of this was to have that hand peg. Nothing really changed because it's the same size. Yeah, I'd say that's golf club down. And now let's do the box. God, I have not been looking forward to this boxing glove. I've both been very excited about it and not very excited about it because I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do about it. I've tried something like this before and it's worked out great. I made like a I made a minigun for Nemesis Prime, the core class Legacy Nemesis Prime, and it looks great. But it involved me making a box over his hand, or sorry, a box that went on the peg to the side of his hand that folded in, so it was essentially a port. Now, what I want to do for the boxing glove is I want to make a box with a peg that should fit everything. And if I did my math right, it should work. But then I don't know how I'm getting this or that or any of this. So we're gonna find out together. We're gonna make some fun mistakes here this fine Saturday. So let's go back to our original new component because I'm just keeping all these in the same component. I don't know if that's proper procedure. I don't particularly care. That's a neat shape. All right. Let's do boxing glove. Okay. Very first thing I can think that I need to do. I need to make this. I need a center. I need a circle. This is going to be our peg. Voyager peg hand, 5 millimeters. Now, ow. We're going to get my calipers. And we're going to get Optimus Prime. Assuming your hand is 5, even though I've proven it's not, and you just hate me, we're going to measure your entire hand, which is 15.5. So we'll say 16. Okay. So what that tells us, that is 16 by 10. All right. 16 by 4. All right. Here's how we're going to do this. Sketchy as shit. The whole hand is 16 and the peg is 5. That means there's an 11 difference. That doesn't really matter because I'm going to make a center rectangle. Did I just hit 3-point? I had an eye covered. Oh, I must have done circle. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. You can do weird math, but then I just forgot I can make a center rectangle. 16. I don't want to do this. Only 4 plus 2.5. It's going to be, oh, that's almost 5 plus 2.5. It's going to be 7.5. I'm going to do 10. That is what I'm going to do, is 10. And I have these swapped. Okay. Then I need the walls of the box. So we're going to do 2 mil? I mean, 2 mil is pretty good, honestly. It's not, I mean, I can do 1. But I don't like the structural integrity of 1 sometimes, you know? And 2 mil will give us a little bit more chunky. So we're going to end up with comically large boxing gloves, and I'm not going to lie, I kind of think that's hysterical. So, but what we are going to do is we are going to extend these lines because, all right, catty bitch. And all it's doing is it's just trying to figure out where it is. All right. I like to keep my dimensions very, very clean, except for when I don't care anymore, and then they become very, very not. So, what this is going to look like is pain. Lots and lots of pain. How tall is your hand, buddy? 13? Dope. We're doing 15. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to do all of this. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. I put the lines in the wrong spot. So we'll trim these. Then we'll go back to extend. We'll extend that. That's what you want. Gonna do all this. We're gonna extrude by 2 millimeters up. We're gonna get our sketch back. And I'll rename it just so that way you can see how to do it correctly. You just hit rename and then you just pick something. So we'll just call it base hand. Okay. Want to see that sketch. We're going to take this. We're going to take that. And what number did I just say? I know I have it as a parameter, but I'm not sure if that's what I want to use anymore. 13. We'll do 15. Did that number change? Was that 13 the first time? Yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna write that into a parameter. We're just gonna do that. Modify parameters. We're gonna find it right here, I guarantee you. Hand depth 12, yeah. So I'm changing that to 15. It said like 12.0 something, but between my printer and the calipers, I don't trust that. Wonder what that is. Huh. I love doing these things in separate weeks because I forget what I did and why I have things. Now we're going to extrude negative prime sorry, negative hand depth. Okay, cool. Which is going to be 15. Now we have a post. Which is good, which is very good. We have something for him to hold on to, and it should be completely viable. I pray to God it's completely viable. Edit sketch. You know what? We're gonna go ahead and make that 11. Just for peace of mind. So now we have this canvas. That was feeling good up until this point. What we're gonna do first is we're not gonna revolve, we're gonna fill it. These. Because we want a circular hand shape. Can't see that, right? Okay. Bet. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a line. We're gonna do what are we doing? What am I doing? Who are you? Go ahead and no. Okay, yeah, chamfer that. That's fine, chamfer it. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna draw a line on this surface. Okay. that how we're gonna do this? No, I lied. Where am I? Rotate. Okay, we're gonna draw a line on this surface. That is going to match. Do I have to project these? Oh, that nub does pop out a little bit. That sucks. Just project the body? Okay. What am I looking at from the side? Looking at that. Why does it pop out like that? Oh, okay. I gotcha. Actually, you know what? This might be easier to do without the fillet. I'm gonna be on the fillet. You know, fillet. No, we don't need the fillet right now. we're gonna do basic stuff, and then we'll worry about the fillet. All right. Oh no, I was right the first time. Yeah, because I want his hand shape to match his hands. So if he twists his hands that way, we don't want him to hold this. All right, so he's holding it square on, thumb up. Holding it thumb side. And it doesn't really matter. It's damn near a square anyway. Ah, he's a robot. We can just say he can turn his hands whatever freaking direction he wants. Let's do this. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to spline. Assuming this is his right hand. Okay, I guess we're going to project first, you little bastard. A spline. Right hand, it's going to go. Where's the peg? Is right that side. So that means thumb needs to be going. This is the part, this is where I was like nervous about live streaming this because like you just get to see me screw up left, right, and actually sideways. Because I was right the first damn time. Line. Like curve. Drastic curve. Actually, no, still slight curve. You just fix it. There we go. Now let's just... It's fine. How tall is it? I have to measure between here and here. There's no way in hell that's only 17. I'm gonna call you a fucking liar. This is the fastest way I can think to do this. It is a... It's 103. And I put it on the wrong one. Damn it. I gotta do all that again. Do I? Can I by chance project off onto the side maybe? No, that's fine. I'll do it again. Son of a diddly. Yep, I need to go that way, which means it needs to be on this one. I'm goofed. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I need to dimension this. 13. Alright, so if that's 13... then most I want probably 20. What we'll do is we'll make a construction line. Okay. Bit weird that that happened. Go up 20. Now we'll do our splining. And we'll do it just the same. In shorter. Doesn't have to be perfect. God knows I'm not. Okay. Cool. Let's fix this then. A little bit more out there than I would like. But, I mean, all in all, as far as boxing gloves go, hey, that's not bad. And it's on the correct side too. Awesome. We're gonna save this just in case the world explodes and I get screwed over somehow. Little nubby, but you know what? Take it. So then what we're gonna do, we're gonna extrude to object. Bottom. Oh, sorry, that's start object. Never mind. Extrude from profile plane to object. Give it that. I need to cut. I need to cut this. I need to get right about here. Ooh, I was so close. That's okay. You can always make that shit just like that. Oh, because it's a spline. You can't do that. All right. Actually, it kind of angles up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so what we're going to do, going to take this. Gonna do extrude to object that. Okay. Gonna get this sketch back. Gonna do extrude. About there. Okay. I can see it. I can see it coming together. Crap, this might actually be okay. Do this. Gonna make a sketch for that. Then we're gonna get a curve. And I'm wondering, I just project these lines here. Can I get my curve just by doing a fillet? No, I cannot. Okay, good talk. What if I make my own lines here? I mean, I kind of just needed them to be guidelines more than anything. How does this curve inward? Okay, so it's like a hook almost. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna travel most of the way down the thumb. Okay. What happened to my line? I had my line. I liked my line. That what? Did I not draw? I drew a line here, I swear. Alright. Freaking weirdo. Oh, yeah. Oh. Okay. Actually, that doesn't matter. Let's just see. Let's just see how this looks. If I cut all the way to here. Honestly, not terrible. I mean, there's gonna definitely be some stuff I have to do. But I'm liking where this is going. So let's see if I can fill it this shit. Actually, let's see if I can fill it a bunch of crap. Fill it. You. 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 Not you yet. Definitely you guys. At this point, I'm just seeing if I can break it. I dig it, honestly. And yeah, I can probably use what is it, form meshing stuff to do this, probably faster and easier, but I just don't. um because I haven't really tried it, and I kind of just want to try and do these all in the same like style that all the other ones are done with. All in all, I'm really kind of liking that. I think what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to write something here, like uh, a thing or some shit. I want to see if I can not loft, draft. Let's see if I can draft something real quick. I gotta pick this. Then I can. What's that gonna do? Oh, instantly break it. That's what that's gonna do. Modify. Draft. Oh, I guess I can't. Oh, I can probably draft from that side though. Draft. You. No, interesting. Tangent chain. Okay. Let's see. Flip direction. Parting tool? Parting tool? Okay. Parting tool. Parting tool. That's what I want. Yeah, boy. I mean, if I can't fill it, I'm not too upset about that. Then we'll just extrude this. Or is it, is it press pull? Modify. Press pull. Press pull just become extrude by default? Yeah, it just becomes extrude by default. Okay. Modify existing feature. New offset automatic. Okay, so it's just extrude. Gonna go literally a millimeter. The reason I did that is so that I can do this. It's 2 looking like 3 looking like it's broken. Nah, it's too much. I think 1.5 is probably enough. Enough to make me happy. Do the same thing here. Extrude 1 millimeter. This thing is going to be a pain in the ass to print out. Actually, no. If I just... If I print it knuckle down, it'll be fine, probably. Huh. I mean, honestly, I think it's pretty good. I don't think I'm going to put anything here, because then if I mirror it for the other hand, it'll screw itself over. How am I going to print this? I don't know if I'm going to be able to print this. Oh, that's a good idea. What is the first thing I did? I did this sketch. I did this extrude. Did it break anything? No. Wait, what? No, wait, that should have worked. All right. New plan. We're going to create a plane. I should have done that the first time, but I wasn't thinking about it. But you know what? It's going to work out in the end. Struct, offset plane right here. Okay. Modify. Split body. Body is split. Splitting tools. Okay. We made two bodies. Bet. We're going to make this universal. What we're going to do? Going to take... guess this one. I guess this would be it. Okay. We're going to create a sketch. I'm going to make a line. Can do that. Curious why no midpoint is showing up. All right. Guess we're going to try and project it. Even though I guess that should technically be the midpoint, so we'll go with that. Go with that. Make this. Call it 5. And then we'll offset it by tall divided by 2. Sorry, you have to do that. So whenever you use your parameters, you have to press enter on the actual parameter. You can't just like type it. Kind of annoying. And that should be good. One 816. Yeah, that should be okay. So then what we're gonna do, go make a hole. Extrude. -5. Dope. Jam for this. 0.2. 0.1. Bring up our sketch. Switch our bodies. Go for the smaller hole. Extrude. -5. Jam for this. And then you should have something that you can print completely okay. Because now I can print the box, and so you only have to print one box. So now I can actually make this decal because you only have to print one of these and then each side of the hands. In theory. Now, does it ever work out like that? Probably not. But, you know, it's a fun thought. And I'm really scared to do this, but let me just section analysis. Oh, okay, I'm good. Actually, a good rule of thumb is to -5.1. Give it a little extra oomph. All right, so we'll just rename this to hand. And rename this to post. Then we'll put a little text. Put a little text. Center it. Do that. Little Cybertron #1. Actually, champion. I think that's how you spell champion. That is how you spell champion. Awesome. And do we want to make it bold? Italics? Ooh, italics ain't bad. Bold and italics. Ooh, bold and italics. I don't think this is going to print out right, but, you know, I had its spacing. I want to get that R and that T a little bit farther apart. There we go. That'll work. Extrude negative 0.2. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I think that's it for it. I think now, did that go the way I thought it was going to? No. Am I still happy with the result? Yeah. Yeah, I am. I still think that's I think for what it is, I think it's pretty dope. Will my Transformers be wearing it? A couple, probably, yeah. We'll save that. So now we're gonna make something else. And this is very helpful for what I need. We're gonna make testers. And I want to do this because it's not fair to, oh my god, look at my whole timeline for literally everything. It's not fair to the people downloading my stuff if it doesn't fit their transformer. So they have to scale it slightly to get the handholds right. So I'm going to make little handhold testers. So assemble new component. Peg testers. Okay. We're going to make a sketch. And we're going to make it 10 mil. We're going to make it 15 mil. Okay. Cool. We're just going to extrude that 2 mil. Yeah, 2 mil, because 1 mil tends to get a little bit flimsy. All right. Then what we're going to do is we are going to do a rectangular pattern. Or I guess we'll, no, yeah, rectangular pattern. Yeah, no, that's right. Rectangular pattern, but I'm just going to go in one direction. Okay. Sure, along this axis, who cares? I think I want, let's see, 4.89551 3 point, okay, yeah. All right, yeah, so what I'll do is 4.95 5.1, no, 4.8 4.955. Okay, so yeah, I actually do want 2 of these. I want 4 of these. You do that, and do that. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is not that. Delete. Okay, so I can see all these. All right, so this is going to be 4.8. Oh, can I not? Oh. Shot in the dark. What if I project? Project everyone and their mother. There we go. 4.8, 4.9, circle. There's a bunch of different circles. Holy crap. 5. 5.1. Okay. Then we're just going to do the same thing over here. Circle. .8. I don't know why it's only working like that, but you know what? We'll deal with what we got to deal with, right? Cool? Cool. Awesome. Okay. Why is my mic picking up like that? All right, circle. 2.9. Three. 3.1. And now what we're going to do. Did I? Oh, okay. I mean, hey, that works. Extrude 5. Extrude -5. Bet. 1329284849551. All right, cool. So I guess what we can do is we can literally just edit this sketch and just put text here so that way you can read it. So text. Boop. Don't need that. Don't need that. Yeah, don't need that. 4.8. Repeat text. 4.9. Oh, that's not centered. That's going to bug the ever-loving shit out of me. Repeat text. That is not what I want. 5. 5.1. 2.8. 2.9. I wish you could hit enter for that. That'd be so nice. 3. And finally, 3.1. Oh, that's going to be annoying. All right. Yeah, I can just move the bodies. All right. Boop. Doot. Bring bodies back. Extrude. Profile plane. Object. Distance. -0.2. Or 4.8, 5.1, 2.8, 2.9, 3, 3.1. That should be able to tell you at least like what your handholds are, right? Gonna do. Chamfer these just a little bit so that way they have easier time going in and don't really screw up your holes. That sounded real bad. All right. So that's those, I guess. Pretty much, I think that's it. I think that's going to be it for this stream at least, because the other thing I want to try with the inserts, I might want to try and do that. Maybe try to stream that to YouTube, but I gotta wait like 24 hours for that. I don't know. We'll see. But thank you for watching. If you even got across this long, and I hope this, I don't know, helped you figure out how to do something. Have yourself a very nice day.